Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn yourself into a Captain Tsubasa poster with PixVerse. So, with this PixVerse, you can create an epic anime style football poster in just a few taps. So let's get started. Let's just open PixVerse, and then in here you can use either the websites or the mobile app like this. And if you don't have an account yet, just simply log in or create one with your Google account. And don't worry about the credits because PixVerse will provide free daily credits so you can try this feature without spending money. And once you are on the home page, just tap on the templates, this one. And then in here, just tap on the limited Captain Tsubasa Go. And then just use this filter, Captain Tsubasa poster, this one. This special template is designed to transform your photo into a professional-looking football poster inspired by the legendary Captain Tsubasa anime. And this AI will automatically choose a character styles that best match your photo and create a dynamic sport team poster. So just tap on the use template to use it and then just upload your image. For the best result, just use a photo with good lighting and a visible face. For example like this, and then after uploading, just simply tap on create. It will take 45 credits like this, and then just wait for a moment. Just go back and then go to mine and then go to image and then just wait for the process. And okay, like this, your photo is transformed into an awesome poster like this. But I think it's a little bit weird. But overall, the poster is still good. Maybe next you can just try it with your another photo and just take a look what the character that you get. And okay, since the World Cup season is creating excitement among football fans around the world, this can be a fun way to join the celebrations and share something unique with your friends on your social media. You can use this poster. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.